Welcome to Is Trezor Model T Wallet Safe? Usage Experience. Links to the product and related resources are in the description below. The Trezor Model T is one of the leading hardware wallets in the cryptocurrency industry, designed for users who prioritize security and ease of use. This wallet is a perfect choice for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts who want to safeguard their digital assets offline. The Trezor Model T supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, Litecoin, LTC, and many others. It allows you to securely store your private keys offline, making it immune to online hacks. The wallet also features a touchscreen, offering a more intuitive and user-friendly interface compared to its predecessor, the Trezor One. You can easily navigate through your wallet, sign transactions, and verify details with a few taps. Security is where the Trezor Model T truly excels. It uses a secure chip to protect your private keys and supports two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an added layer of protection. The wallet also includes PIN protection, recovery seed, and passphrase support, ensuring that even if your device is lost or stolen, your funds remain safe. The device can be used with the Trezor Bridge on your desktop or the Trezor Suite mobile app, making it highly versatile for both desktop and mobile users. This wallet is built for users who value advanced security without compromising on ease of use. Whether you're a casual investor or someone with a large portfolio of cryptocurrencies, the Trezor Model T ensures that your assets are secure and easily accessible. It's also a great choice for those who want to securely store their assets long-term, as it allows for the offline storage of keys. In conclusion, the Trezor Model T is a highly secure, feature-packed hardware wallet that provides a solid, reliable solution for protecting your crypto holdings. For more details, check out the links in the description below.